Check out this lovely news crossing charmer. 3-bedroom 2.5 bath cul-de-sac home with fenced backyard features updated kitchen and baths with granite countertops, glass tile backsplash, new cabinets and fixtures. Under $200,000, this won't last. Check out this lovely 4-BDR/2 bath home on over an acre in Whitt Acres. This home has so much to offer on a quiet cul-de-sac street. Serene country setting, still convenient to shopping, dining and major highways. 18x20 wired workshop with wood-burning stove. Fantastic above-ground pool with deck. Established landscape features crepe myrtles, river birch, roses, butterfly bush, gardenia. Relax by the pool and watch the stars at night.